Morning! Are you okay now? Can Mama kiss, please? Welcome to It's Snake's Life. Today we are going to cook. What is this?
Pakbet de bula.
It's a sautéed mixed vegetables. We call it here pakbet, but not. This is not the original version of pakbet. This is our
Pakbet de
version.
hula.
This is our cheapest version. This mixed vegetables with coconut milk. But we say it pakbet because the ingredients are similar. First, we will add the, what is that? Garlic. What is that? Onion.
Yes,
Haka.
cheapest one, but the ingredients is expensive.
Expensive here in the Philippines because inflation.
Because our president is abnormal.
That's. Then we'll add now the, lalaki naman ang hiwa niyan.
It's not expensive.
It's not expensive.
That's why.
We are now going to add, sino lang ilagay lahat?
Ang tubig.
Pork. If you want to try this, you can use any meat that you want. You can also use this. This is the pork laman.
Tempo.
Liempo ba yan?
Yeah.
This is a pork liempo, a belly part of the pork. Because
A belly part of a pig.
pig is a live animal.
Yeah.
Pork is a meat.
Pig. You need to...
Lagyan mo ng konting suka. Kasi
No.
parang may pork. After we saute, we will just wait it to simmer. And then soft. And then tenderize. Simmering. The ingredient, the vegetable is pumpkin, kalabas, string bean, okra, and green beans.
Baggy beans.
Baguio beans. We call it Baguio beans here. We will add salt, MSG, coconut milk.
And after this, you wait until you become...
Then simmer again.
Simmer for 3 hours.
3 hours. It's done. Good. Good.